Whether you prefer PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, or PC, gamers rely on a fast, stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is great, but some rooms may not get a great signal, or might not get any signal at all. For PCs and most game consoles, you could use a wired internet connection to your router, but then you'd have to run cabling all throughout your home. Now you don't have to. Thanks to Medialink Powerline Adapters, you can extend your internet connection to any room in your home, even if it's far away. Just plug in one adapter into any outlet and connect it to your router with the included Ethernet cable. Then plug in the second adapter into any outlet to create a lag-free, low-ping connection to your game console. Powerline adapters use your existing electrical wiring to carry the internet signal to any other outlet in your home. Do you have roommates or siblings that like gaming too? Once you've added the first adapter to your router, you can add up to 6 more adapters to your network. Say goodbye to Wi-Fi problems and long Ethernet cables with Medialink Powerline Adapters. For more information about Medialink Powerline Adapters by Mediabridge, check out our YouTube channel or visit us at MediaBridgeProducts.com.